Hello everyone, my name is Oba. Today I'm going to share with you how to make goat milk body wash. You are all welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, and you are also welcome. So let's talk about the ingredient that we are going to use in this recipe. You need Castille soap base. If you don't have Castille soap base, I have a video that you can watch to make yours. You need hot distilled water. So you are going to boil your distilled water because we need very hot water to melt our soap. If you don't have goat milk powder, you can use cow milk powder, but you need a whole milk. Next, we are going to use licorice extract and also Allantoin powder. You can choose to leave these two out if you don't have them, or you can change them to anything that you want to use, any extract, that's lighten extract that you want. You also need Optiphen Plus preservative, which is very good for milk products. Also need fragrance oil. You can choose to leave the fragrance out. You can choose to use essential oil too. You also need distilled water and borax. We are going to use this to thicken our liquid soap. Next, what we are going to do is to add the soap paste to heat resistant cup or bowl. And we are going to add hot water. You need to add hot water to it so that it can melt the soap. I have a video on how to make Castille liquid soap paste. I will link the video down the description box if you want to make it. So after you add the water, we are going to stir the mixture together and we will cover the soap. So as you cover the soap, you will let the soap paste sit overnight. If you are in a hurry, you can double boil the soap and it will melt very fast for you, but I'm not in a hurry, so I'll let it sit overnight so that everything can melt. So next, I'll boil the distilled water and add the borax to it, because if you don't boil the water for it to be hot, the borax is not going to dissolve in the water. Even when it dissolves and you let it sit down and cool down, some of the particles will come, like it will show. So the water have to boil. It takes time to dissolve the borax in the hot water. All you need is patience. And you can also choose to use salt. You add the salt to the hot water for it to dissolve before you add it to your soap, which will also help thicken the soap. So the next day, I will bring my soap back, remove the wrap, and you can see that my soap is fully dissolved. There is no chunk of soap paste remaining. So add the borax solution to the liquid soap. So as I add the solution, my liquid soap just changed color to creamy. It's normal. In case I'm not going to add goat milk powder, what I will do is to warm the soap back and everything will clear to normal. But I'm going to add goat milk powder, so there's no need for me to warm the soap for it to look clear. So borax normally softens hard water and stabilize foam, so it's very good. You can see how my soap is foamy. Add the goat milk powder to the soap mixture, and you know goat milk has a lot of skin benefits. Keep stirring until everything combined. So you make sure that you stir very well. I can choose to blend it with stick blender, but you know it's foaming too much. So if I blend it, there will be too much bubble. That's why I'm stirring it. You know goat milk can reduce lines and wrinkles and even reduce acne scars. And also it's very good for exfoliation. So I add my Allantoin powder to it and stir very well so that everything combines very well. And Allantoin is very good for skin moisturizing, good for itchy skin and skin irritation, and also good for skin rashes and eczema. So it's very good for exfoliation too. So if you have this ingredient in your product, it's going to help exfoliate at the same time brighten your skin. I have added my licorice extract, which is very good for skin lightening or skin brightening. So it's good for that spot. It's good for clearing that spot or even your skin tone. So next, I will add my Optiphen Plus preservative, which is very good for preserving water-soluble products like this. So it's very good for preserving milk product too. When you are doing milk product, make sure you sanitize your equipment very well, because if you don't, your milk product is going to spoil easily, no matter that you use preservative. So make sure you sanitize your work area, your equipment very well. So you stir the mixture well so that everything combined. Next, I will add my fragrance oil. And when you add your Optiphen preservative, the temperature has to be around 140 degrees before you add your preservative. You can choose to use any preservative of your choice, but please follow the manufacturer instructions. Keep stirring until everything combined. Those that are confused when I talk, they don't understand what I'm doing, please read from the screen. I have already written the procedure on the screen, so you read from it and don't listen to my voice, because I know most of you get confused when I talk. Also, you can find the recipe measurement under the video, the description box. When you click, you can find the measurement, everything is there. So now we have our goat milk body wash. You have to pour it into a clean bottle with a pump so that you can enjoy your soap very well. And please, those who don't watch the video to the end and they start asking questions, if you do that, I won't answer you. Most of you have been doing that, because someone will ask me, you didn't add preservative when you are making it, but it's in. I added preservative. It's because you didn't watch it to the end. So if you do that, I'm not going to answer your questions. I have a lot of questions that I have to reply. If you do that, I am not going to answer you or reply your question. So you cover your soap. The soap, you can keep it for 6 months, and you are going to really enjoy this soap. It's really going to help exfoliate your skin, brighten or lighten your skin if you use it daily. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and click on the notification bell, and don't forget to share this video. Bye bye.